Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use Sony TV as a PC monitor. So I will just shortly display you how to connect your TV to a PC using this laptop, this one as an example. But of course it also applies to the standalone PCs, PC machines. But the main emphasis of the video will be on setting the picture quality both on your TV and on your laptop to get the best text quality, the image quality, and general graphics overall. So first of all, you're gonna have to locate the HDMI port on your PC. In case you're using a laptop like this one, you'll most oftenly find the HDMI output on the left edge of it. So just insert one side of the HDMI cable into your HDMI output on the laptop, and the other one goes to your TV into one of the available HDMI outputs. In my case, they are all located on the left edge of the TV, on the back side of it. Find where your HDMI ports or outputs are located, and then insert your cable into one of them. After that, to switch to the laptop, you're gonna have to press the input button on your remote control. In my case, it's located right here. So let me press the input button, and then here find your HDMI port. If you don't see it here, navigate to edit and locate your HDMI port right here. Check if it has either a checked circle or an auto status. If it has an auto status, it will automatically appear on the inputs list. Now select your HDMI port on the inputs list, and you will automatically switch to your laptop's display. Now, how to set the best settings both on your TV and on your PC. So you cannot probably see that from the distance, but actually the picture settings are not very good. I can definitely see some pixels which I shouldn't actually see. So in this, in order to fix it, press the right click your desktop, select display settings. Now in display settings, navigate down to display resolution and switch it from your PC resolution to your TV resolution. In my case, it's the 4K TV, so I'm gonna use the 4K resolution, which is this option. Then click Keep Changes to confirm, and now after that the picture quality will definitely improve. I can see that everything looks much better now. Now we can also, if the scale doesn't match your expectations, so if the elements on your display seem to be too small, most probably too small, just select a different scale from here and go with the higher option. You can use the highest one, it's totally safe. Just switch to bigger scale and see if you feel comfortable with it. And if all of the scales you see here aren't enough for you, you can go with this the custom scale. In case you want to set a custom scale, you have to go right here, but make sure that you don't set a way too big scale. So go start with the lower scales just by entering the value manually here. The value should be in percent, so my laptop supports from 100 to 500 percent scale. So we can go with something like 400, then tap OK, and then to apply the change, you're gonna have to sign out of your PC by clicking right here, and then just sign in once again. And after that, the settings will be applied. I'm not gonna apply the settings, though I'm gonna turn off the custom scale in the previous menu and sign out, and we'll return to the previous scale, which is which looks just fine. Now, the other things that we can do on our TV, and the rest of the things that we need to do in order to improve our text visibility and overall picture quality is go to quick settings by pressing, in my case it's the wrench icon, a wrench button on my remote control. In your case it can be also a gear button. Now then here find picture mode and make sure that the picture mode is set to graphics. If you have the picture mode set to auto, it will automatically switch to graphics, and you can also enable this feature in picture settings. Here you can find auto picture mode. If you turn it on, once you connect your PC to the TV and switch to that HDMI input, the auto picture mode will automatically switch to the graphics mode. After that, what we also need to do is go to color. No, not color, but clarity. And in clarity, reduce the sharpness enhancement by reducing the sharpness value to values that are closer to 0. So from 0 to 10% will be just fine, so that we don't get any artificial smoothing of the picture. We don't need it when we're connected to our PC. And after that, also find the motion section here. Go to motion flow and make sure that the motion flow is set to off, because if we have it turned on, it will add some artifacts when we are, for example, moving the cursor, so it will not look very fine. And additionally, if your TV supports that, you can go to all settings, then select channels and inputs and find external inputs, and here find HDMI signal format. Locate the HDMI port that your PC is connected to. In my case it's HDMI 4, if I'm not mistaken, but I'm pretty sure I'm not. Let me just check. No, it's HDMI 4, and we can change the format to enhanced format, or some HDMI outputs on your TV might also support enhanced format with Dolby Vision. However, I'm not sure if this setting will apply to your to the PC, but PCs can be different. So let's just select enhanced formats, and this will also improve the image quality on our PC. So let's return back here, and now everything is just fine. If your PC becomes too laggy after enabling enhanced formats, you can also change this. You can also turn this setting off, but generally that's how you set your TV to be a monitor for your personal computer. So that's it for this video. I hope that you liked it, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.